Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the SET School Learning Management. Unit number 3, Class 3, Subject Mathematics. Chapter number 8, Shapes and Spatial Understanding. Topic is Perimeter. I'm your teacher, Amber Akhil. Learning outcomes. At the end of the topic, students will be able to find perimeter of the given object. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around a two-dimensional shape, or perimeter is the outermost boundary of any shape. To find the perimeter, we have to count the number of squares around the shape, and secondly, we have a method to add the length and breadth and multiply by 2. Suppose that we have a rectangle. Its length is 4 units. 4 units means 4 centimeter. Here 1 square is equals to 1 centimeter. So the length of this rectangle is 4 square, and we know that in rectangle opposite two sides are equal, so the length is 4 centimeters, so opposite length is also 4 centimeter. Breadth is 2 centimeters, so opposite breadth is also 2 centimeter. We can add the length and breadth twice time and find perimeter. So here 4 plus 4 is 8 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So 8 plus 4 is 12 centimeter. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 12 centimeter. You can find another way, that is by putting the formula, by adding the formula. You can add width and length. 4 plus 2 is 6 and multiplied by 2. We also get 12 centimeter. So we have to find we have two methods to find the perimeter: by adding the length or by adding the length and width and multiplied by 2. To find a perimeter of a square, we have to multiply the length by 4, because in square we know that all sides are equal. So here in this shape, in this square, the two sides shows here by length. So means two sides length is opposite two sides are also length. So we can say that to find a perimeter of a square, we have to multiply length by 4. Suppose that we have a square with 4 centimeter, with the length 4 centimeter. So what will be the perimeter of it? 4 multiplied by 4 is 16, because the one side is 4 centimeter, the other side is also 4 centimeter, the third side is also 4 centimeter, and the fourth side is also 4 centimeter. So we have to add it, or you can multiply it by the 4. So 4 4 is 16 centimeter. So we can find the perimeter of a square by multiplying the length by 4. Perimeter of a rectangle. We all know the property of rectangle, that opposite sides are equal. Here the length shows here with b centimeter and the breadth shows here with a centimeter. So how can we find the perimeter of a rectangle? We can find the perimeter of rectangle by adding the sides. So here a means breadth, a plus b, a plus b, a plus b. We have to add twice length and breadth and then find the perimeter. So a is 3 centimeter, b is 5 centimeter. Again a is 3 centimeter, b is 5 centimeter. So 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 5 is 16. So perimeter of this rectangle is 16 centimeter. Perimeter of a triangle. To find the perimeter of a triangle, we are going to add the sides. AB is 3 cm, BC is 8 cm, and AC is 6 cm. So we have to add it. 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 6 is 17 cm. So perimeter of this triangle is 17 cm. We can find the perimeter of any type of shape which has more than 4 sides, which has more than 5 sides, but you have to just add the sides of it and then find the perimeter. I hope you have learned how to find the perimeter of the given shape. Keep practicing to be perfect in it. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.